Hello, welcome to Math Critique, where I take concepts that you might be struggling with and I show you can do it because you already have. Today we are going to be talking about coterminal angles when we're talking about unit circle. Let's dive in. Okay, so coterminal angles. So basically, let's say I'm right now facing east. Okay? Now if I'm facing east and I want to turn 90 degrees so that now I'm facing north. That's a 90-degree turn. Right there, 90 degrees. But the question is, how many different ways can I get to 90 degrees? Okay, so if I turn 90 degrees, that's one way. What if instead of turning 90 degrees, I turn 270 the other direction? So I go 270 degrees until I hit that 90 degree. That's a coterminal angle. That's two different ways to get to the same direction. Start going east and looking north. Okay, so I can go 90 degrees, I can go 270, or I can go another 360 all the way around and end up in the same direction. Those are all coterminal angles. So when you have a problem that you're trying to solve and you need to find the coterminal angle, you can start off by saying, okay, well, I have 90 degrees. You can subtract 360 and go in the other direction, or you can add 360 and get multiple revolutions. Here's another 360. And then another 90 after that. Okay? So with this, you can keep turning 360 degrees. You can keep going 360, add another 360, add another 360. If the angle that you're given is really big, if you have a 1600 degree angle, you can just subtract 360 a whole bunch of times until you get positives and negatives. You can get as many of these coterminal angles as you need. So then the next question is, what happens if I have radians? Okay, if I have radians, it's the exact same thing. I can turn pi over 2 radians, because pi over 2 is the same as 90 degrees, or I can go in the negative direction, 270 degrees, which is 3 pi over 2. So I can go negative 3 pi over 2 and end up in the same direction. Okay, so when you're asked to find coterminal angles, all you gotta do is add 360 or subtract 360. Add 2 pi, subtract 2 pi, depending on if you have degrees or radians.